Hello students, welcome back in the class. As you know, we have already discussed about verb and its kinds. Today, we will discuss the three forms of verbs. There are three forms of verb: present form, past form and past participle form. इसको हम इस तरह से भी कहते हैं: फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ verb, like that. Okay, so they can be regular or irregular. At first we will discuss what are regular verbs. Actually, regular verbs are verbs which forms its past and past participle form by adding ed. यानी कि वो वर्ब जिनकी सेकंड फॉर्म, ठीक है, पास्ट फॉर्म मीन्स सेकंड फॉर्म एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल मीन्स थर्ड फॉर्म, यानी कि जिनकी सेकंड एंड थर्ड फॉर्म में ईडी ऐड करके बनाया जाता है, दीज वर्ब्स आर कॉल्ड रेगुलर वर्ब्स. एज यू कैन सी इन द एग्जांपल, अराइव, अराइव्ड, अराइव्ड. अराइव मीन्स होता है आना. कॉल, कॉल्ड, कॉल्ड. वेट, वेटेड, वेटेड. कॉल मीन्स होता है बुलाना एंड वेट मीन्स होता है इंतजार करना. एज यू कैन सी, दीज थ्री वर्ड्स means arrive, call and wait. We add only ed in second and third form, in past and past participle form. So these are regular verbs. Now come on irregular verbs. What are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs can be formed in three ways. Irregular है मतलब इनकी जो सेकंड और थर्ड फॉर्म है ये अलग अलग तरीके से फॉर्म होती हैं. इसे हम तीन तरीके से जान सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज verbs in which all the three forms are same. Means there are some verbs which have same in present, past and past participle form. As you can see in the example, cost, 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 cut, 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 hurt, 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 let, 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 put, put, put. Like this means in first, second and third form all the forms are same. There are many verbs like that which form their past and participle as well as present form with same alphabets. Now, second type of verb, second type of irregular verbs. These are in which two forms are same, जिसमें दो फॉर्म सेम होती हैं. Like present अलग होती है and past participle are same, and sometime present and past participle are same and past one is different. Means two forms are same in the second type. Okay, so you can see in the example, bring, brought, brought. Bring means होता है लाना, buy means होता है खरीदना, bought, bought. It is the second and third form. Catch means पकड़ना, caught, caught. Feel means महसूस करना, felt, felt. Find means पाना, found, found. Get means also पाना, got, got. Have means होता है रखना, had, had. Hear means सुनना, heard, heard. Keep means रखना, kept, kept. Leave means छोड़ना, left, left. Like other, lose, make, read, say, shall, send, teach, think, win. Means these all words have present different and past and participle are same. So these are also called irregular verbs. Now the next type of verbs are there. Here I tell you, then in some verbs first and third form are same. Like you can say that, no, you can take the example of become and become, became and become. Here you can see that first and third form are same and second form is different, so it also come in the category of second type. Now the next one is verbs in which all the three forms are different. कुछ verbs ऐसी होती हैं जिनमें तीनों फॉर्म ही अलग होती हैं. Like you can see in the example, be, was, were. यहाँ पर आप is am are भी ले सकते हो ना. be की जो फॉर्म होती है, is am are को भी be कहते हैं बेटा. is am are, this is also be. Okay, was, were and be. begin, begin means होता है शुरू करना, begin, began, began. break, break, broke, broken. break means होता है तोड़ना. चूज मीन्स होता है सेलेक्ट करना, चूज चूजन, डू डिड डन, ड्रिंक ड्रैंक ड्रंक, ड्राइव ड्रोव ड्राइवन, ईट एट ईटन, fall fell fallen, give gave given, go went gone, know knew known, she saw seen, speak spoke spoken, swim swam swum, take took taken, wake woke woken, write wrote written. Students, you all have to write these forms of verb in your fair notebook and then learn them, because it is helpful in grammar. It means either you are doing passive voice, tenses, narrations, means in all the grammar portion it is helpful for you. So you have to remember what is regular verbs and what is irregular verbs. Secondly, you have to learn them, first form, second form and third form of the verb. I hope it's clear now. Thank you class.